Good morning, students of grade 5th. Myself, Bhagwati Prajapat, and we are doing Cordova Mathematics of grade 5th. In today's class, we solve activity 3 on page number 54. Question number 1 and 2 we already had done. Now today we will do question number 3. Today's date is 9th of September 2020 and we are doing question number 3. Find the HCF of the following by long division method. Long division method. Question A, D and C is your classwork. Question B and E is your homework and H we will not doing. Okay. Question number C and F is your revision work and I we will not solve. Okay. So let's start in our notebook. Mention today's date. Today's date is 9th of September 2020 and we are doing activity 3 of chapter 6 factors and multiples. We are doing question number 3. Find the HCF of the following by long division method. To find HCF we have two methods. First we have prime factorization method and second we have long division method. From second method we are doing question number 3. So let's start. A 72 and 192. Solution: 72 is smaller number, you all know, and 192 is a bigger number. Okay, so now we have to divide. You all know we will divide always from smallest number. This one is 72 is divisor and 192 is dividend. So we will divide 72 1 72, 72 2 144. So we will divide 2 times. If you don't know the table of 72, you will speak only table of 70. 71 is 70, 72 is 140 and you can do your rough work also. Okay, rough work. 72 multiply 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4 and 7 2s are 14. If we speak table of 7 for 3 times, 7 1 is 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. That is more than our dividend. So we will divide only 2 times, 144. Now as a remainder we have 12 minus 4, 8, 8 minus 4, 4. And now we have remainder as 48 and divisor is 72. So we will copy down here divisor. Now we will divide. 48 is now divisor and 72 is our dividend. New dividend we have and new divisor we have. Okay. Remainder will become divisor and divisor will become dividend. Okay. This is so easy method. 48 1 48. If we will speak 2 times of table 40, we got 80. But that is will become more than this one. So we will speak only 1 time. 12 minus 8, 4 and 6 minus 2, 24. Now remainder will become divisor and divisor will become dividend. Okay. Now 24 1 are 24, 24 2s are 48. 48. Now we don't have any remainder here. Okay, we don't have any remainder. So last divisor is 24. Last divisor is 24 and 24 is our HCF, highest common factor. Thus HCF of 72 and 192 is HCF. We have this one 24 is HCF. Okay students. Next question D. We have 375 and 600. Now we will divide. This one is smaller divisor and bigger number is dividend. So 375 multiplied by 1. Okay, if you don't know table of this, we can speak only table of 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. 600, that is more than, because 75 we have also. So we will speak only one time. 375 and remainder is, we have 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. And now we have remainder. Remainder will become divisor. Okay. And divisor will become dividend. Understood everyone? So we will divide 225 by 1 time. Remainder is 0. 7 minus 2, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. Remainder we have 150 and we copy down divisor. We copy down our divisor. Divisor is 225. 150 or divide 225. One time we will divide 150. 5. 12 minus 5, 7. And divide with, this one is remainder and copy down as a dividend 150. 75 2s are 150. And we got here 0. We got here 0 as remainder. Okay, now our question end, because we don't have any remainder here. Okay, so last divisor will be our HCF. 75 is our HCF. Thus HCF of 375 and 192 is 75. 75. Last divisor will be our HCF. Now come on question number G. We have to find out HCF. Smaller number is 4410 and bigger number we have 8064 and we will divide. We don't know this number is larger long number, so we will divide easy way method. Okay, 4. We will speak our table of 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. We have 8 here, but we have here 400. That is not have here. So we will speak this table only one time. Only one time. 4410 and find out the remainder. Remainder is 4 minus 0, 4, 6 minus 1, 5, 10 minus 4, 6, 7 minus 4, 3. We have remainder 3654. Now this will become divisor and divisor will become dividend. Okay, do carefully. Next, 3 1 ja 3. Only one time we will speak. 3654 and less. 10 minus 4, 6. 10 minus 5, 5. We have here only 3 and 13. 13 minus 6, 7. Okay, now remainder we have 756 and divisor we have 3654 and this divisor will become dividend. So dividend is new dividend we have 3654. Now we have to divide with this number. So 7 1 of 7, 7 2 are 14, 7 3 are 21, 7 4 are 28 and 7 5 are 35. So let's start. Till 4 we will speak and we will do here our rough work. We will do here our rough work. Okay, inside you will draw your rough work column. 756 multiply by 4. Let's see what number will come. 6 4 ja 24. 2 carry. 5 4 ja 20 and 2 carry we have 22. Again we have 2 carry. 7 4 ja 28 and 2 we have 30. We got 30 if we speak table till 4 time. Or if we speak table 5 time we got more number. Okay, so we will speak only 4 time. 3024. 0 3 6. 630 we have. This one is remainder and this one is divisor and it will become dividend. So we will copy down here 756. One time we will speak of table this 630. 6 2 1. Now it will become our divisor and dividend 630. Let's see which number will come if we will speak of table this 101 2 3. 3 times can we speak? So let's do. Write here multiplication. Okay. If we speak our table 5 times of 100, 100 1 100, 200, 300, 4, 500. Okay, and we have here 630. Let's see if we multiply by 5, what number will come. 6 5 ja 30. 5 2 are 10 and 3 13. 1 carry, 5 1 are 5 and 6. 630 we have. So 5 time we will speak of table 126 and we got 630. We don't have any remainder here. So last divisor will become our highest common factor HCF. So HCF is 126. Thus, HCF of 4010 and 8064 is 126. Last divisor will be our HCF. HCF. I am writing here. Okay, and this statement also you will write. Question number 4 we will do in our next class. Till then students, bye bye.